In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer in Mailchimp. Whether you're creating a new email campaign or updating an existing one, customizing your footer is an important step to ensure your emails look professional and align with your brand. The footer is not only the finishing touch to your design, but also a key component for compliance with email marketing regulations. So if you're ready, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident customizing your Mailchimp email footers like a pro. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Mailchimp dashboard. This is the control center where you can manage all your email campaigns, contacts, and reports. From here, look over to the sidebar menu and click on the tab labeled Campaigns. This will take you to the area where all your email campaigns are housed. Now you'll have two options. If you want to update an existing campaign, simply scroll through your list and select the one you'd like to edit. However, if you're starting fresh, you can click on the Create New button to build a brand new campaign. Either way, we'll be working within the email editor to make changes to the footer. Once you've opened your campaign in the email editor, scroll down to the very bottom of your email. This is where the footer section lives. If you've worked on email campaigns before, you'll know the footer typically contains key information like your contact details, unsubscribe links, and sometimes even a little extra branding. Click directly on the footer section, and you'll notice that the editing sidebar appears on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. In this sidebar, you can customize the design elements of the footer to match your brand. You can change the font style, text color, or even the background color. Take your time here to ensure the design complements the rest of your email and stays consistent with your brand identity. In addition to the design, you'll also want to update the text. In the footer, you'll see areas for your contact information, such as your business name and physical address. You can modify this to reflect your current details. Just keep in mind that the unsubscribe tag and physical address are mandatory. These elements are required by anti-spam laws, so they need to remain in the footer to ensure your emails comply with regulations. While you can adjust the appearance of this text, be careful not to remove or alter the required elements. Once you're happy with your updates, click the Save and Close button in the editor. This will apply your changes to the footer block. At this point, I recommend previewing your email to make sure everything looks exactly how you want it to. You can do this by clicking the Preview button. This will give you a chance to see the email as your audience will, and you can double-check that the footer layout and design are visually appealing and error-free. Finally, when everything looks good, click on Save and Exit to finalize your campaign. Your changes will now be stored, and your updated footer will appear in the email when it's sent out to your subscribers. And that's it. Editing the footer in Mailchimp is a straightforward process, but paying attention to both the design and compliance aspects ensures your emails look polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.